Chapter 11, Lesson 2, Median and Mode. When you order a set of numbers from least to greatest, the number in the middle is the median. The number or numbers that occur the most often is the mode. Measures of center describe the center of a set of data. Examples include the mean, median, and mode. So another word for mean, median, and mode, we call these measures of center. Example 1. The table shows the number of students who play basketball at 13 different high schools. Find the median and mode of the data. So remember that the median is the number that falls in the middle of the set of data after you've sorted the data from least to greatest or greatest to least. So I'm going to sort the data from least to greatest. Now that we've sorted the data from least to greatest, now we need to find the number directly in the middle, and that'll be our median. So because the number 26 falls directly in the middle of the set of data when it's sorted from least to greatest, our median is 26. Now to find the mode is the number that appears most often. So from the data set, you could see that the number 30 is the only number that appears more than once. It appears twice, making it the number that appears most often. So the mode of the data set is 30. Example 2. The table shows the amount of cups of coffee sold each week for the last 9 weeks. Find the median and mode of the data. So to find the median, we need to sort the numbers in the data set from least to greatest. Now that the data is sorted from least to greatest, we want to find the number that falls in the middle to find the median. Because the number 47 falls directly in the middle of the data set when sorted from least to greatest, 47 is our median. To find the mode of the data, we need to look for the number that appears most often. As you can see from the data set, the number 50 appears 3 times, while every other number appears once. So 50 is our number that appears most often, making 50 our mode. Try these two problems yourself to check for understanding, and then check your answers with the next part of the video. Example 3. The table shows the amount of snowfall 8 cities had in inches this winter. Find the median and mode of the data. So to find the median, I'm going to start by ordering the numbers from least to greatest and then finding the number in the center. So as you can see, for this example, we end up with 2 numbers in the middle. So to find the median, I would need to find the mean or the average of these 2 numbers. So as we saw in the previous video, to find the mean, we find the sum of the numbers in the set and then divide it by how many numbers there are. So for this problem, we're only finding the sum of 45 and 59. And then we're going to divide that by 2 because there's only 2 numbers that we're finding the average of. So 52 is the mean of the two numbers that are in the middle of the data. So 52 is our median. In this problem, there is no number that appears more times than the other, so the mode for this example is none. Pause the video here and try this one yourself to check for understanding, then check your answer with the next portion of the video.